Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for chat translation. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. ChatGPT can help with chat translation using its built-in translation capabilities. Here's how you can use ChatGPT for chat translation. Identify the language. If you're chatting with someone in the language that you don't understand, you can ask them which language they are using. Alternatively, you can use online tools such as Google Translate to identify the language. Request the translation. Once you know the language, you can ask ChatGPT to translate the conversation for you. For example, I have here a French and you'll just put translate these words. To English. So it will automatically translate. Use translation. ChatGPT will provide you with the translated text which you can read to understand the conversation. You can continue the conversation in your own language and ChatGPT will translate it back to the other person. Note that machine translation is not perfect and there may be errors or nuances that are lost in translation. It is also important to be respectful of the other person's language and culture and not rely solely on machine translator. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!